What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new review for today. So okay, this is the review of the spy pen. Okay, this is the review of the spy pen camera. So right here, okay, so right over here. So and it's also this is a good one also. Okay, so I already know how to use this, and also and also it is now charging. So at first it didn't charge, right? So at first it didn't charge. So when I am charging it, it's just uncharging. It's still on plugging, right? It's still uncharging, but the charging, but the red indicator is gonna be off just like 10 seconds, right? It's just like that. So today, so today is just so today it's already. So I think the other night I just charged it up, and then yes, it's really good in charging. So it's already charging it up, and it's also how to use this one is also there's also a user manual for this one. So I just have to I just have to we also power so press and hold the top button for 3 seconds until the blue light flashes and then goes out. So check working state. So press the top button once to check if your camera is recording, right? So okay, so let's go gonna okay, so I'm gonna have to swipe down, okay, and then I'm gonna have to click it, okay. Okay, so what happened? Okay, let's go gonna open this. Okay, okay, and I think it's in the back, right? Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, there it goes. It's already, and then I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to press. Okay, I'm gonna have to press. Tap the button once. Okay, okay, tap the button once. Yes, okay. It's already been blown. So okay, let's go gonna try it up. Okay, let's go gonna try. So okay, here is the so this is the sample video, right? As you can see. Okay, this is the sample video. So I'm gonna have to turn this into my face so that you can see it in me. Right, so here it goes. So this is the pen already, and hopefully it's working, right? So hopefully it's working. So okay, and then here it goes, and then that is the video. So how to stop? So okay, so I'm gonna have to so how to you check? So when connecting the camera petrol parts of the okay. Uh, Okay, the camera will turn off and save it automatically. So press and hold the top button for 2 seconds, then the red light will start and then release the button. The camera will turn off and save the okay. So press okay, let's go press the okay, let's go press okay, I'm gonna have to okay okay, I'm gonna have to check this out. So let's go press okay, press the button for 3 seconds, okay. And then okay, press the button for 3 seconds, okay, and then the blue light is blinking, and then the red light will flash 3 times and then release the button. The camera will turn off and save the video automatically. So I think it's already saved automatically, right? So okay, turn off, and it's also this one right here is because it's this a pen. So you just have to uh, rotate it, and then also the pen is now working. So right, it's also you can write over down there. So okay, and then the camera here is also, as you can see, okay, as you can okay, it's because right. So there's the camera in there. So you just have to swipe it off to close it, right? You just have you just have to swipe it to close it, and also you're gonna have to swipe down for you to use the camera, right? So okay, so let's go gonna I'm gonna check the video, right? Okay, I'm gonna check the video right now to see the product, to see the actual camera for this one. Okay, so let's go gonna check it out. Okay. So here's the quality of the camera. So let's try. So let's try some clips from this Spy Pen camera. Okay. So here is the micro SD card here at the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna have to show you how to use this one. So okay, I'm gonna have to, okay, sorry for that. So I'm gonna have to put it again so that you can see how to use this one. So and then here it goes. Okay, here's the Spy camera pen. So okay, and then right, so this is the pen, right, as you can see. And then let's go gonna have to rotate it to open. Okay, and then here is the, okay, so here's the USB port, micro USB, and also the memory card right over here. So I'm gonna take it off the memory card. Okay, and then let's go check it in the my laptop. So let's see if it is working, right? So I have a, okay, where's this one? I have a card reader. So let's go gonna connect this card reader into my laptop. So let's just see if it is working. Okay, so let's okay, so let's check if it is working, right? So removable device. Okay, and then we've got the video. So let's check. Okay, oh, why there's so many video over here? So okay, let's go check. Okay, why there's so many video? Okay, it's not supported in my Chromebook, right? So it's not supported for the Chrome OS. So I think I'm gonna have to use my Windows, right? So I'm gonna have to disconnect this. Okay, so since it is not, the video is not, okay, so the video is not supported, so I'm gonna have to transfer it in, so I'm gonna have to transfer it into my Windows PC, right? My Windows right, so I'm gonna have to put it right there. So since I am still uploading, right? So this in my in my channel. So let's go gonna have to check that out. So let's see, still not, okay, so still not reading. So okay, so I think it's reading sometime. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to wait for it to read the the memory card, right? Okay, so um sometimes it is really right, so it is not really, Okay, so there's no right, so it's still not reading it up, so I think I'm gonna have to. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to, take this off. Okay, so gonna have to try another card reader for it. So this is the card reader that has in the card reader for this one. So okay, and then okay, it's because okay, the gonna have to put it like that, so hard to for me to, you know generic SD card reader, and hope it will get okay. There it goes. USB drive H. Okay, let's go check some videos. Oh, there's too many. Okay, and then yes, already. So black, 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 black. Okay. So okay, let's go. Gonna have to try that one. Okay, and then here it goes. Okay, here it goes. Okay, let's go check this one. The last. Okay. Okay, so what happened? Okay, let's go. Gonna okay. Okay. Okay, that's good, right? So let's go check this one also. Let's go gonna check that one. Okay, there it goes. It's already, and then I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to press. Okay, I'm gonna have to press. Okay, so that one is also good, perfect. So it is really, really clear, alright? So it is not so, the video is not too long, right? Let's go gonna try that. Okay, let's go gonna try. So okay, there is yes, perfect. It's so clear, right? It is so clear. It is so clear, right? The blue light is blinking, and then oh, perfect. Love it. I love this. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. I love this. Okay, I love this. I love this. I love this camera already. So I love this pipe and camera already. It is already working also, right? Okay, okay. That's my review. Okay, that is my review. Okay. So that's it. Okay, so overall I love this. I love the spy pen camera, and also I can, you know I already love this spy pen camera, and now it is fully working, and it is very good product, and that you can have it for your that you can have it for your daily routine. So you gonna have to spy everything, right? You're gonna have to spy everything. Gonna have to spy in your neighbor, in your office, in your work, in your school, right? So you're just gonna have to spy everything, and then you can see them. What are they doing? You can see what are they doing? If they're gonna be what is this called? Um, Talking about you, right? So you just have to write just of not obviously recording, but you're just writing it in your phone, you're just writing it. So the spy pen camera is so good, and also really really good. So I highly recommended tech product that you can buy. So I bought this in Timo. So link, I will put down the product I will put down the link for this one in the comment section, and also in the description box below, right? So okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming featured videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more. It's gonna give you some of my good stuffs, and also my text and gadgets collection, right? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel.